To take macro photos on the Google Pixel 9 Pro, open the camera in the photo mode and click on the left bottom corner on the settings icon. And here you can find the macro focus, so you get automatic one or just simply turn it on and now it's locked into the macro mode. With this one, it actually set the macro mode manually. I mean automatically when it's detected, but here you just force the macro mode. So now you can just try to grab something, some items, try to put it really close with your lens, and we will try to capture something, for example like this one. There we go. And as you can see, that's how the photo looks, but in my opinion you can also try with a better version. So try to use the zoom feature. Take a look. Right here you can find this zoom feature that give us a lot of options, but we have to actually still stay on this periscope lens, which is this one. I'll try to put it a little bit closer and show you the result. There we go. And take a look how it works. Also, it looks very good with a lot of details. Take a look. So you can pick one of the following options, macro modes or the lens mode, and decide which one fits your preferences the best. In my case, this zoom feature is really great. Thanks for watching.